Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I've been debating on whether or not to do this video or not, because it's a video I had not planned on doing, and I really honestly don't want to do this video. It's something that just really bothers me and bugs me, but maybe I'm doing it because there might be some worth in it for everybody else out there. Maybe to give you a heads up, or maybe if you're considering doing something similar, I don't know. I just went and took part in the recent sale for Icon. They extended their sale, as you guys know, this week, and this ratchet is obviously on sale for 40% off. And this is actually one that I had been wanting, didn't quite get. I had the slightly shorter version. I have a comfort grip version, but I really like the standard just steel handle extended length ratchet. And so I go to pick it up, and they pull it out from the locked cabinet area. So this is actually one that's been in the store, and they go to pull it out the locked cabinet area, and I noticed, well, for whatever reason, the hook's not up there. But there's the regular tape, right? It's a circle piece of tape, whereas on this side, it's actually Scotch tape. Someone Scotch taped it close. So I didn't realize it until I got home, but I got home, took it apart, opened it up, and yeah, it's the ratchet. It's the correct ratchet. But as I got looking closer, probably hard for you to see, but it kind of got a little scratched up, a little banged up on the sides. And I thought to myself, well, that's a little different. So I checked the gear, and this pawl and anvil it's really loose and spins really quick. Not to mention it kind of binds up in the spots a little bit. So I went ahead, and we'll let you guys see here. I opened it up to see, did somebody own this before I did? I mean, it has some grease in there. Okay. There's the pawl. There's the anvil. And you pull it open. And what do you got? You got chewed up gears. Actually, there's the fragments right there on my thumb. The pawl. Oh yeah, pawl's jacked up too. Let you guys take a look at that. I didn't even finish disassembling this. I was so just upset. Wiped out the teeth on the one side of the pawl. And then we'll show you guys the anvil. Look at those teeth chunks. And sure enough, the spot where they just wiped it all out. So, my point being is, someone obviously took this tool, purchased it, used it, did whatever they did to destroy it. I don't know how much you got so much power on there. I'm trying to look here on the tail end or not if I see anything. A couple just like scratches. But the thing I think of is you put a hefty cheater bar on that, whoever you are, and you destroyed the anvil, destroyed the pawl, and then you took the time to take it back to the store. Someone took the time to take this back to the store to return it to get a full refund. And knowing that by saying whatever they said, obviously, to the cashier, hey, this is fine, this is okay, take it back, they took this and put it back in stock for someone else to use. And guess what? Now your problem becomes my problem, or it becomes someone else's problem. It's not about me. It's about everybody else. You destroyed something. You took it back, got your money back. Why couldn't you just taken it back and got it warrantied? Like, why couldn't you just got a new ratchet to use? Or if it had broken, I'm sure within your time frame you could have taken it back and said, hey, because you kept the box, whoever you are. You kept the box. You kept even this little cleaner towel all in there. You kept it all. You could have just said, hey, it's defective, I want my money back. But for whatever reason, you just passed the buck. And I mean, it's sad. It's sad to say, sad to see. But again, it's not a video I wanted to share because I try to keep these videos positive, and we all, enjoy tools. We all enjoy fixing things. It just bugs me that people are doing stuff like this. I'm gonna have to go back now, return this, get another one. Hopefully they still have one in stock, because right now that sale, it's tough to get one. So who knows if I'm gonna get one in time or not. But it's just the mindset. I mean, and maybe that's the point of this video, is I don't understand some people's mindsets of why they would do something like this. And yeah, just be I guess for you guys, just be cautious when you're opening up your package, or so they hand you one. Double check, make sure it's still sealed as it should be. I mean, you shouldn't have to double check, especially in this case. It's locked behind a gate that no one can even physically get to. I could only expect that the best case scenario would come out of this, and of course that did not happen. But I guess you got to be wary. You got to double check and make sure things are what they truly are, because yeah, they may not be. But anyways, guys, I appreciate you watching, and sorry this isn't the regular content I had scheduled for you, but maybe it's something worth watching and learning about for yourselves. But anyways, guys, take care, and we'll talk to you soon.